Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Yesterday we completed couple of exercises in worksheet. This whole week we will be completing the worksheet. So let us begin today's session also with worksheet. Today we will be doing seen passages of chapter number 3 and I'll be giving you unseen passages as in for your homework. Ready? Let us go for it. Chaliye, this is on page number 14, scene passage 1 of chapter number 3. The next morning, Archimedes went to take bath and was busy thinking about the problem. He slipped and fell into the bathtub. Forgetting everything else, he leaped out from the bathtub. Without even stopping to dress himself, he ran through the streets to the palace. Now, first fill up. Dash went to take bath. Archimedes went to take bath. Next is past tense of leap. What is the past tense of leap? It is in the paragraph itself. Leaped. L-E-A-P-E-D. Leaped. So we'll write here L-E-A-P-E-D. Leaped. Right? Now, plural of problem. Now, one problem, many problems. So we'll write problems. P-R-O-B-L-E-M-S. Problems. Next, add words to make new words. Bath plus tub. Very easy. Bathtub. Right? Every plus thing is equals to everything. Right? Here, everything. Right? Next, write two words with double alphabets. Example, dress. दो letters होने चाहिए, दो alphabets होने चाहिए. So here it is here streets. S-T-R-E-E-T-S, right? And in the last line, stopping. S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. Next, write two verbs from the passage starting with S. So here you will write slipped. S-L-I-P-P-E-D. Slipped and stopped. S-T-O-P-P-I-N-G. Next we have make sentence using the word next. इसमें you can make any of your choice. यहाँ पे मैं अपना लिख रही हूँ answer. You can write any of the sentences that you can make. So here I'll write next is your turn. T-U-R-N turn. Full stop. Right? उसके अलावा you can write anything. Now next is write rhyming words. Rhyming words बोलने में एक जैसे हो. Well, fell, press, dress, D-R-E-S-S, dress, men, ran, R-A-N, ran, right? Next, it's all given in the paragraph, so don't worry, right? Next, find antonyms of night. The answer is day. Next, problem. Problem antonym is solution or answer. You can write both the answers are right. Next, write the past tense of go. We all know go past tense. Went, W-E-N-T. Run, ran. Very easy. Chaliye. Now this is scene passage 1. Let us go to scene passage 2. Right? Let us read the paragraph. Archimedes started with the experiment. He immersed the crown in water. If the crown is pure gold, it will displace the same amount of water as displayed by 10 pure gold coins. In case it is not of pure gold, it will displace a different amount of water. He proved that the crown was not of pure gold. The goldsmith was punished and Archimedes was praised by the king. We have already learned this thing in the chapter. So what did Archimedes do with the crown? Now the answer is he immersed the crown in water. Can you see that? He immersed the crown in water. He immersed the crown in water. You can find this in the paragraph itself. He immersed the crown in the water. Can you see this, children? Okay. Complete the sentence. If the crown is pure gold, it will displace the same amount of water as displaced by the 10 pure gold coins. आपको लिखना है यहाँ से यहाँ तक का पूरा second answer में, right? Third one, what is the crown of pure gold? No, it wasn't. As you all know, it was not of pure gold, right? So we'll write it wasn't, full stop. Was an apostrophe T. Next, what happened then? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? उसके बाद the goldsmith was punished and Archimedes was praised by the king. This is answer number 4. The goldsmith was punished and Archimedes was praised by the king. Right? Now, encircle all nouns from the passage. Nouns: Archimedes, experiment, crown, water, gold, gold coins, goldsmith, and king. These all are nouns, right? Archimedes, experiment, crown, water, gold, gold coins, goldsmith, and king. These are all nouns. Now, make two words from displays. माने displays को use करते हुए you have to write two words. Children, this exercise you have already done many a times in the classroom, right? इसमें से कोई भी words letters यही use करके you will make some new words. So I'll make let's see, I have SIP, sip, and second word I'll make LAP, lap, right? इसके अलावा भी अगर आपके पास कोई और words है, that is fine, you can write it. Now next, make antonyms by adding prefix pure. Pure के आगे कुछ लगा दे, then it becomes impure, right? IM is the prefix. Place, displays or misplace, DISPLACE, displays or misplace, right? चलिए, underline the prepositions used in the passage. That the preposition which is used over here is, if you can see, we have only one preposition, that is by. Now the last exercise, name the helper, right? Now on the next page, the one the one who makes the gold ornaments. Gold के ornaments कौन बनाता है? Goldsmith, 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 right? And next helper, the one who gives you medicine, chemist, CHEMIST, or you can write doctor. दोनों ही आंसर सही होंगे in that. Why? Because दवाइयाँ हमें केमिस्ट देता है और प्रिस्क्राइब डॉक्टर करते हैं. So either of the answer is right. Both the answers are corrected as right. So here we come to the end of today's CW, that is scene passage 1 and 2 of chapter number 3. Today's homework would be unseen passage 1 and 2 of chapter number 3. Next week we'll meet with the grammar portion. Till then, this is Disha ma'am signing off. Bye bye.